Morning, everyone. Hope you're doing fine. This is Jordan, and today we're going to discuss corn. This is a slightly longer term opportunity. As you can see, we're currently watching at weekly chart here, and we're going to check out the lower time frames. But as usual, let's start from the higher time frames. So what we can see here is that corn made a push above the previous swing high, and it's currently holding above this zone right here. It is consolidating, and on the lower time frames we can see a very nice pattern, which in my opinion is going to bring us to the upside furthermore, which means I'm starting to look for possible bullish opportunities. Now this is the trend line and overall the pattern that I'm following, right? This is the consolidation, and as we can see, there was an attempt for a breakout here. Furthermore, we can see that the price managed to create, sorry, I'm not very good with trading views tools, but in general, the price managed to create a delta pattern here, and this delta pattern is now confirmed with hidden bullish divergence. Can we draw? Yes, we can. So I'm referring to this one right here as the delta pattern, and then the hidden divergence right there. We already got a tick up, and it starts to look pretty good. Now, the thing that I'm focusing on, as I mentioned before, is this level. And if I go down to the 4-hour chart, you will understand why. So this is the previous swing high, right, on the 4-hour chart, and this is where we got the trend line. Okay, this is the swing point where we're actually building this corrective pattern. Plus, we can see that on the previous attempt from the end of March, the price stopped right here. So clearly we're dealing with some nice level around this zone, and this zone is 770 approximately. Okay. My idea here would be to see a very clear, nice breakout above this level, right? This is going to be my cue to start looking for the actual bullish opportunities. Alternatively, if the price manages to hold this zone, I would expect this thing to push down again, which could be actually a sell opportunity, but a very big but here. Keep in mind that if you're selling in here, you're going against the main trend, which is bullish, and you're going against everything that we've been discussing at the moment. So we will be trying to catch here some kind of intraday move that could be choppy, that could end at any second and continue upside. So going and selling here without any extra validation or confirmation for the reversal is tricky. What I'm trying to say is, if you're going to be selling, try to find yourself a reversal pattern around this level before you go ahead and attack it. And again, just a friendly suggestion here, probably use less risk because you're going against the main trend. Now, if that after all happens, trading it or not trading it, the next assumption for me will be to look for buys from the bottom of this zone. Okay, it's usually better to go with the trend. It's much easier to go with the trend, which means, as a summary, this thing for me is buy the breakouts or buy the bottom of the currently developing range consolidation flag, call it as you wish. All right, it's right here, starting from the previous swing low down to the projected line that we have here. In terms of targets, just a moment to remove all these lines. In terms of targets, the very first one will be around psychological 800 level, and then we have 88 right over here. Those will be the two targets I'm focused on. What else? I think that's covering it pretty much everything. Of course, if you have any questions, guys, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to discuss. Thank you and have a good one.